sound of a place define it as much as its people and culture. The city of Kochi on the southwest coast of India is an enchanting place that had an eclectic influence known as the gateway to Kerala. Kochi's culture and architecture will take you back in the time to when the Dutch, Chinese, and Portuguese and British occupied the city. I was in Kochi for 2 days, getting nice dose of different types of food and different colors of Kochi. Let's begin.
So guys, we are back again once again on Cochin International Airport. So guys, I have boarded the cab from the International Airport Kochi, and we are heading towards Fort Kochi, which is near the backwaters. So I guess it will take around half an hour, 45 minutes to reach there. So good morning people, last night we came to this Airbnb and this is very nice.
So this is our Airbnb. We stayed last night here, and इसके बाद हम जा रहे हैं ली मेरिडियन. And this is very nice property in Kochi. So if you're coming to Kochi, just ping me up and I'll send you which property is this. And if you see there, can you see the backwaters? So I hope you enjoyed the view from this Airbnb. And अब वक्त हो चुका है निकलने का, तो हम लोग निकल गए यहाँ से. So it has again started raining and we are finally leaving the property. So we're heading towards Fort Kochi and the cab is right away. Among all destinations in Kerala, Cochin has a unique taste and it is drawing most of the tourists from all the parts of the world. People are coming here to see mixed culture, cuisines and communities. And even I'm here today and it is still raining and I don't know when it is gonna stop. So I am facing a lot of difficulty in terms of recording things. I'll try to record as much as possible and we'll love to show you how the Kochi looks. We are in Kochi and this is Tower Road and I'm sitting at Open Restaurant. You will find it easily if you come to Tower Road, which is very nearby to Fort Kochi. We are sitting at Cafe Di Kochi. So we are going to try some food out here and we'll tell how does it taste.
Kerala parota and chicken dosa.
good morning. We checked in Lee Meridian Kochi yesterday and we just woke up. I took a shower and the weather is so lovely out there. I'll show you one second. It's raining. See the backwaters. So this is Kochi. It's raining since we came here and आज हमें वापस निकलना दिल्ली के लिए, but it is raining already. कल से आए हैं हम, ज़्यादा घूम नहीं पाए. As I told you earlier, बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है, कहीं जाना मुश्किल है. तो अभी देखता हूँ बारिश बंद होने का इंतजार कर रहे हैं हम लोग. दोनों को सब्सक्राइब करना है, दोनों को फॉलो करना है.
Sure.
And what do you do? Like you started here only? First job. So congratulations and best wishes for your future endeavors. भाई आप लोग मेरा क्या बोलते हैं, सब्सक्राइब करो, लोगों को फैलाओ. वो उससे बड़ी खुशी मेरे को और कोई नहीं. So time has come to say goodbye to Kochi and we are heading towards airport. It's 4 in the evening and we are experiencing a lot of traffic on the way because of the rains. Rains ने हमारा साथ पिछले 2 दिनों में छोड़ा ही नहीं. Means we barely could roam around and थोड़ा मुश्किल हुआ. We met a lot of wonderful guys on the way. Starting from Ira, she was from Philippines and she was a lovely and amazing personality. We also met Ashish, he's from Maldives. We met Mr. Basil. Mr. Basil is from Kerala. Amazing guy, amazing hospitality. And we met Leslie. Leslie is from US, Washington. And Hugh from Wales, UK. We met him in Lee Meridian. He is also a very nice guy. He has traveled almost all the countries in the world. We also met Ramya from US and she is settled there. She is basically from Chennai. So this trip has given a lot of beautiful people. We made a lot of good connections and I hope to meet them again. Looking forward for such wonderful journeys. For now, it's bye bye from my side. Meet you in next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.